How to delete Shopify store in 2023. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can go ahead and close down and delete your Shopify store. So let's just go ahead and get right into today's video. So you're going to want to make your way to the Shopify dashboard. And once you're actually here, make your way down through these sections and go ahead and click on settings. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and wait for these settings to actually load up here. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for that to load up here. And you can see we are now on the Shopify settings and store details. So right under store details here, go ahead and click on plan. From plan, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and make your way down to the deactivate trial or deactivate store button. Just go ahead and click on it. Now from here, it's going to say here cancel subscription and deactivate store. Just go ahead and click on that if you want to delete and deactivate your store. Just go ahead and click on it. So give a reason why you want to go ahead and close the store and just go ahead and click on continue. Now you're going to want to go ahead and put the password that you use to log into Shopify. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right quick, and then we're going to go ahead and click on deactivate now. So you can see here it is now just waiting for us to actually deactivate, and you can see here we should get a banner that says your store is deactivated, thank you for using Shopify. Now basically you can actually reopen it, but you will have to pick a plan, and you're gonna have to go through all the plans and stuff. You can see here you can get the basic or whatever, but that's how you go ahead and deactivate and delete your Shopify store, guys. It's fairly simple to actually go ahead and do, but with that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful and informational. I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.